Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Oppo F19 Pro, and this is a new mid-range phone from Oppo which is costing around 50,000 PKR in Pakistan market. In this video, we're gonna unbox the Oppo F19 Pro and let's see that what is Oppo has to offer on their new F series. And guys, you can see that here is the box of the Oppo F19 Pro, and the unboxing experience is a little bit changed than before. And guys, also we have 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. And also this phone also has a dual view video mode as well. This phone also has AI color portrait video feature as well. On the front we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. This phone also has a 30 watt fast charging, and also the color I have is the fantastic purple color. So now let's quickly unbox the Oppo F19 Pro, and now let's see that what is Oppo has to offer this time on their new F series. And we don't get any Oppo F19 yet. And let me remove the plastic first, like this. Guys, now let's quickly open this box like this. And guys, you can see that we get a one more mini box inside of this little flap. Now let's open this box like that. And the first thing, we get a one more mini box, and inside of this little box we get a silicone case as well as the SIM injection tool. We also have a quick start guide as well as warranty card. As you can see, we get a soft silicone case, and you can see here is the camera bump, as you can see. And here is the Oppo F19 Pro. So now let's out the phone from this box. You can see here is the Oppo F19 Pro. So now I'm gonna just put the side here, and now let's look at what else we get other than the phone. And guys, we get USB Type-C cable, as you can see. And also we have this green indicator inside the USB Type-C port. And also we get headphones with the Oppo F19 Pro as well, so that's really nice. And you can see here is a charging adapter, really big as well. So now let's see the ampere rating on this adapter. And guys, you can see that, and this is a 30 watt fast charging that you are getting with the Oppo F19 Pro right out the box. And also we get headphones with the Oppo F19 Pro as well, so that's really nice. And you can see we have headphone jacks. So guys, now let's see the Oppo F19 Pro. And guys, here is the Oppo F19 Pro. So now let's out the phone from this plastic. And guys, here is the Oppo F19 Pro, and you can see, and this is a purple color. And you can see on the top as well as on the bottom we have different color. And you can see on the back we get a glossy finish. So not really good. I'm not a big fan of glossy finish. I like matte finish. And again on the back we have a quad cameras. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. And now let's see the physical overview of this phone. And guys, on the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone as well as a headphone jack. On the left hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on the Oppo F19 Pro. And guys, we have a 1 micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. You get a full-fledged SIM slot. On the top we have noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side we have a power on button. And guys, on the front we have a 6.4-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display. And this time on the Oppo F19 Pro we does not get any high refresh rate display, so that's a really disappointing, with a punch hole on the left hand side. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Oppo F19 Pro, and you can see. And guys, on the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that really beautiful. And again we have Super AMOLED display, and also on the front we also have a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front, so that's really nice. Although the back it is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone, I believe. And the design language from the back, it is very similar to the S20 Ultra. This phone also has in-display fingerprint scanner, and you can see. And the speed of this fingerprint scanner is also really fast on this phone. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's see the Android version of this phone, about phone. And nice to see that this phone it is running on Android 11 right out the box, so that's really nice thing as well. And this phone also running on ColorOS version 11.1. We also have a 128GB of internal storage out of 112GB. It is available for you guys. This phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P95 chipset, which is the same chipset that we also see on the Oppo F17 Pro, so no improvement in that area, but display quality it is improved. And also we have this low brightness feature on this phone, So guys, now let's look at the camera. And guys, on the back we have a quad cameras, and the main sensor on the back, it is a 48 megapixel f1.8 aperture. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide, and also we have a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the back. On the front we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera in this punch hole. So the cameras, it is not the best, but now let's see the camera UI. And here is your ultra wide, and you can see we also have a video mode. In video mode we have everything like the ultra steady mode. We also have a bokeh video mode on this phone, and you can see when you go to the effects option, and we also have a AI color portrait video feature on this phone, and you can see that's a really unique thing as well. We also have night mode, which is also available with the ultra wide lens as well. And we also have a portrait mode. All those things, it is available on this phone. When you go to the more section, we also have this dual view video mode, in which you can record videos from the back as well as with the front camera at the same time. So that's a really good thing as well. We also have a slow motion on this phone, and guys, we also have a macro mode as well as a pro mode, and you can see that's really nice feature as well. Now let's see the front camera. On the front we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and again we also have ultra steady mode with the front camera. We also have a bokeh video mode. All those things, it is also available with the front camera as well. In the effects option we also have AI color portrait feature, in which your background is in black and white color. Now let's see the video recording size with the back camera. And the back camera maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps, and also we don't get full HD 60 fps as well. And now let's see the front camera video recording, and the front camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps again with the front camera as well. We also have night mode with the front camera, so that's really good as well. We also have a portrait mode. In the portrait mode, in the effects option, we also have AI color portrait feature, and it is also a really unique feature as well, which I don't like because I never used this feature on any Oppo phone before. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo F19 Pro. Overall, I have to say that honestly I don't like the design of the Oppo F19 Pro. Looks very similar to the S20 Ultra, but do let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about the new Oppo F19 Pro, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Oppo F19 Pro. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.